The Novo ShareNet Municipal Operations Management System can help you transform work in many departments. This video will focus on facilities management. It's easy for employees to submit work requests. They simply go to the end-user portal, fill out the request, the type of category, building, various details. They can upload pictures, and then they click Submit Request. Alternatively, they can also email in a request. You simply set up an email address that they can send to, and they can fill out the details, and that can be submitted in as well. With the ShareNet workflow system, email communication such as this initial confirmation email and updates on the status are completely automated. This alone can greatly improve customer satisfaction. It's easy for facility staff to update work orders on their mobile device. They log into the app, look at their open request, they tap on one, they look at this light out issue, and when they're done with it, they can simply change the status to closed, add any notes that may be appropriate in the resolution field. They can add labor hours, materials if appropriate, and even add pictures as an attachment. They're done, save and close, and then that disappears from their list, and then they can continue on their work. And managers never lose track of any work request. They can always go back to this open request list view, see everything that's open. They can look at other things such as all request. They can search for request. Everything is available at their fingertips, and they can also use the mobile app to check this. Now for the real magic. Go to Manage Reports. ShareNet has two built-in report builders. There's a basic report builder that you can easily step through a wizard. Then there's an advanced report designer to give you more specific details of formatting and calculations and things. If we run one of these advanced reports, just to show you an idea, we can see that we've got some data. We've got the work order data, in this case by category, and some chart information. And let's take a quick look at the dashboard. So the ShareNet dashboard allows you to see information in seconds. So here we're looking at a facility-specific dashboard. There could be citywide dashboards, fleets, streets, water, wastewater, whatever. But here, again, we're focused on facilities. So what this is doing is looking at a complete date range, and you can change this dynamically with this filter. So we're looking at a year range. You've got the monthly cost. And for that year, we can see at a glance how much have we spent on HVAC issues. We've spent $2.6 thousand. So if we click on that pie slice here, it filters it out. And then now we're looking at the work order count by building. So of those facility HVAC issues, this chart is now filtered out to show City Hall had 5 HVAC issues, train station had 2, etc. And then we can click this and it filters out even further to show the City Hall related HVAC issues and the total cost of those. So the idea here is to give department managers, city managers, council members the ability to see information at their fingertips to make more informed decisions. If you'd like to learn more or schedule a demo, please contact us.